Okay, guys, I just wanted to introduce you to this. It's a really fun game I play, and if you guys ever want to play this, it's on Lifeboat, and go to server 7, Lifeboat. It has a lot of ping, but trust me, if you're like on PC or something, it should be fine for you. It's like, yeah, Bed Wars and stuff, but that's okay. So it does not teleport me back. Well, this is actually perfect. So this is Lifeboat, okay? So you have the server, and then you go all the way here to survival games, and then you tap to join. I like to play solos. My favorite combo to do. Ready? Favorite kit, classic. The classic kit is helmet, an iron axe, helmet, chest plate, pants, boots, best in there. Like,
yeah.
I don't know anything that can top golden armor, and then an iron axe. Do you see anything that can top that? Stone sword, nothing else. 16 eggs and 8 steak, nothing else. Midas complete set of gold, nothing else. Like 1 ender pearl, nothing else. A bow plus 16 arrows. What are you gonna do with that? Tank iron chest plate.
Phoenix.
Like,
Phoenix is right here with me.
my favorite map I've been trying. I don't think I've ever been on this one, but I like Underseas and Breeze. I don't think I've ever been on them, but they look like really good ones. I'm trying to get to Undersea, but nobody will vote for it. So, yeah. And if anybody wants to add me on Minecraft, my username is Nalakar. Capital N, Nalakar. Right there. So if anybody wants to, yeah. Right there. Okay. Ready? Game starts in 3, 2, 1. You're kidding me. Hit the wrong button. You're kidding me. No. Yes! 1 raw pork chop.
Oh, wow.
Perfect.
Here, right?
This is the only thing I need to kill people. Yes! Don't let me kill people. You're kidding me. Oh, there we go. Maybe the game didn't start just yet. I look back at videos that I played, or videos that I did, and I'm like, I'm so much better now. And I'm honestly not that good right now. If anybody thinks I'm good, I have a long way to learn. Like, I just now ran into a pillar. I may be good at PvP, but trust me, there's better people. If anybody wants to watch somebody way better than me, Technoblade, Dream, they are insane YouTubers. Go check them out. I even like those YouTubers. Like, you guys, if you guys haven't seen them, then you guys are missing out. They are the best YouTubers I see. Like,
stay jumpy.
and I'm blank. No, I can see. Nobody. Nobody.
2 coming from CT.
Yeah, one thing about this is if you're as good as PvP as I am, I'm not saying that I'm good, but if you're like at least like on a good level of PvP, you kind of got a lot of stuff in your inventory. Good thing is it's pretty easy to sort it out. Okay, this is the other thing, guys, about this map. This map, if you don't have an ender pearl and you're like stuck on a hill, then that's bad for you. You're gonna have to climb all the way up. Now I have a pearl, but I don't. Yeah, never mind. I was gonna say I didn't want to waste it, but now that I think about it, I'm low. But now that I think about it, that's what it. Like, it'd be like 5 minutes later, and I would be like still climbing it up. Oh, you're kidding me. You're kidding me. We have to do this now? No, it's an end battle when I'm at 3 heart. Okay, nobody come from... Yeah. Beautiful sight, wouldn't you say? Nice trees. Hot air balloon. Castle. Dragon. Mountain. Hot air balloon. Bees. Yeah. Nice view. If I knew that there were lava there, then I would have won the game. But also, another fun fact, I guess you could say, about this game is there's no blocks. You cannot mine anything. You can't build. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to go into game selector. Sorry about this. Oh, this is cool. Okay, okay. For some reason, I think every match it teleports you back to lobby. Sorry about that in the server. It's kind of weird, but yeah. Funny thing is, right before I recorded this video, I was just now watching Dream. So, but really, if you haven't seen Dream, then you're basically living under a rock. A nice rock, like Patrick's rock. Like Patrick's rock, man, I wish I could live in there. And I kind of understand why they made his home a rock, because he doesn't know anything. If you don't know this, you've been living under a rock. That's actually pretty funny. Yeah, okay, I have this thing at school where I have these notebooks, and I'm trying to get the whole entire class to download it. So me and my friend Robert, as you've seen, we've made a game called Rygon. Rygon is a nice little game where you have your profile, your me, you can get stuff, and from games you can get like items. You're just kidding me, we had to be over a hole. I just need iron, really? Oh wait, never mind, I just now realized you can't break blocks in this game. Okay, I forgot what I was gonna say. I like this area. And if you guys didn't already know, you can boost yourself if you're under trees. I learned that from Dream. So he's actually really educational on Minecraft. Have you seen his manhunts? His manhunts are insane. Okay. Teamers. One heart, get bodied. That was insane. That was insane. Sorry for using that language, I should not have done that. They were insane at the game, they just not cheated. Oh my gosh. How? Oh, nobody pop up on me, please. And I know that's not a guarantee because... Oh, yeah. That was insane. I was 1 heart. Did you see that, guys? 1 heart and I got someone. That chest was kind of good. Oh, you have a diamond axe? I mean, diamond sword? Thank you very much for that loot. very much appreciated. And any better one out of all the things, you didn't have a better axe?
I'm trying to move up through
That dude's a
garage slowly.
sword guy.
I'll try and make contacts. You guys.
Little does this guy know. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Rain is up top left. Oh, you guys aren't in yet. My bad.
Thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you.
Yeah, we're just
I
losing
will
judgments.
take that, yes. No. No.
A shot.
I need that chest plate. Okay. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that.
Let's try.
That. Yes. Don't need that. Don't need that. Yes, I need that.
Are we full by here?
Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need
That's
that. Don't need.
Yeah. It,
Too much. As you can see, as I was saying earlier, when you get good at, well, actually, my first game I ever played of this, I got 8 kills and I won the game. But as you can see, when you get into the game and start dominating everybody, like, no, I'm just kidding. No, I want to be nice. Everybody's a good player in here. Everybody. I mean, they're
there's 2 on
insane.
flank.
But, when you start getting, like,
Your window and
insane,
pass.
is this blocks that I can use. When you start getting insane at the game, like, your inventory's kind of out of control. This is actually blocks I can use. Let's go. Let's go. Like, see? Tweet. Tweet, I want to be your friend. By cutting you down.
Okay. Well, I mean, I think that we're not
Wait,
doing it through the
you
smoke.
can
right?
destroy
So once they
tree
smoke,
parts?
just wait
Oh,
it
that
out,
changes
rotate it, just wait it
everything.
out.
I need
Take
iron.
it, but
Okay, how do you... No. No. Oh. Hey, Bo.
Oh, he's in sewers.
What was that? You trying to run, buddy? Buddy, you trying to run? I have pearls too. Touche. Touche.
Yeah, I think we're making too many adjustments or like trying to be fancy. This team's aggressive.
Touche.
Make no noise. They will get themselves picked. They'll waste util trying to figure out where we are. Play super patient.
Nice play.
They're not gonna flank without me knowing.
Marv 1213 14 District 5. Touche. You did a great job. You defeated me. That was insane. I thought you went up there. I thought that was a hole. And I thought you went... Oh, it was a hole. I just missed. Who's gonna get that? Who? Come on, Marv. You got... I want to see the outside. Dang, that's legit. Come on, Marv. Marv. I'm starting to think you have a little bit of a disadvantage. We have Snub Fungus 7923. You got this, Marv. You got this. You got this, Marv. You're the best. Yeah, that's just District 5 right there. totally. Marv won. He's so good at the game. Like, have you guys seen him? He even defeated me. Honestly, he just teleported and I couldn't find him. But he defeated me, so... Yeah, it totally said District 5. He won. I'm not letting anybody say, oh, but Muck Ice Cream, or oh, but my real name. Well, you guys have already heard my name, Owen, so... Oh, but Owen. I don't care. He's good at the game. I don't really know what to say about that, except for he won. Nobody's convincing me. If you say 17, I say 5. If I say 5, you say 5. And if you say 17 too many times, I say 17. Sadly. But yeah, what I like to do whenever I'm in servers, they have this little, they have this. Parkour. Yes, brainboard. They have parkour. I've been up to like there before, but let's not talk about how I'm horrible now at the game. Let's just talk about how my mouth hurts from talking. Really, if you guys were to stream and it just gets boring if you're not talking, your mouth hurts. If any of you have ever streamed before, your mouth hurts after talking for like 15 minutes long. And then if you stop talking, you're like, oh, why did he stop talking? This video isn't that interesting anymore. Oh, I'll take that and that and that, and then I'll take that, and then I'll take, okay.
I inspired her.
Okay.
Go as fast as we can.
I thought this was the area where you couldn't be killed. Never mind that. You guys want to play Bed Wars or something? I just want to show you about this map called Lifeboat. Well, it's a server, not map. Okay, let's play some Bed Wars. I don't win every match. I'm not like Technoblade going and killing 8 teams around. Like, Technoblade's insane. Sadly, he's dead. Rest in peace. 989 videos to watch. Please watch all of them. He's insane. Like, there's no one. He's the best PvP player in the world. It's proven. And, yeah. I fell off the map. Yay. No! Why? Why is it always this map? Everybody loves this map, but I personally don't like it. Yeah, I didn't use the word.
Jet was,
I'm gonna use a different word for it because I know that some of you don't really like this word. Nate. No, I'm just kidding. It was hate. But if it's not good for other people, I wish you could comment, but you can go into my post and comment, oh, I don't like what you're saying or that, and I can say, okay, sorry, I did that. And prove it. No. Yeah, maybe Bed Wars isn't the thing to play.
Only Raina can buy off that.
Okay, guys, I don't really like I love Bed Wars, but just earlier, like right before I did this video, there's this guy. So imagine there's like a base here. He's a base here. He just flew to one another base. Okay, guys, I'm telling you, there's cheaters in this game. Just, I hope you guys don't get exposed to anybody cheating. Okay, so, oh, we're running the same skin. Technoblade, Dream, and Dream. Okay. So, yeah.
Phoenix Crush.
My mouth is dry. I don't know. Anybody? Oh, yes, yes. Capture the flag. Last thing we're gonna do. Oh, wait. How did I get in this so fast? Wait, is this capture the flag? Is this even capture the flag? What game is this? What am I playing? Oh no. This cannot be. This has to be like a survival game, right? No. This is capture the flag? Oh, this is so much different. No.
Forcing him?
This cannot be. Oh yeah, and I learned from Dream you can get these with iron shears. Man, you can get so many. Have you guys ever watched Gumball? Gumball's a really good cartoon and funny. I don't really know what to say. My head hurts. Yay. No. Okay. I'm gonna go mute. Sorry, I had to sneeze. I didn't want you guys to hear that. I actually didn't sneeze. I had this giant sneeze coming up, then it went back down. So, yeah. That's basically what's happening. I guess I could craft while I'm here. So I found out these little cheat codes. Look, ready? Boom. Boom. Okay. It may not be the best cheat codes, but at least I can do stuff. I can make stuff. No. Well, in some maps there's diamonds and you can mine them with your stone swords. I know it's weird. And then you can make diamond stuff with it. So I thought that was really cool in some maps. But yeah, so that's basically what's happening if I hit this guy. It's so laggy. I got this. How did I not hit him?
Watch your back.
I want to go up close. And I'm going to get shot off with an arrow. Bro. No. No. I got this. Speed bridge for life. Speed bridge. What? It's teleporting. Speed bridge.
I thought I heard him go there.
Yes! No, bro. No. No.
They trip both my sensors.
Free for all. Justice is mine. You gotta admit that was pretty awesome. I just swiped in. Well, if you don't think that's awesome, then you don't know what awesome is. Ah! Okay. You're kidding me.
It's over no matter what. She wasn't gonna give me that.
Okay. I'll blow up.
I get
okay.
You.
There's also a few songs that I'd like to point out that you guys just need to listen to.
I should have just anchored A.
So there's World's Smallest Violin, and then, like I was talking about, Dream. Go to Dream Music on YouTube, YouTube Music, Google, anything, okay? There's a song called Until I End Up Dead. Watch it. It's insane. Like, I've just been talking about other creators, I know, but these creators are insane. I love them. I like how they play. It's just insane. Bro, how is that guy hitting me so many times? Retreat. What? Who cares? Let me just get wood. As I said, when I logged on the server, like, maybe 30 minutes ago, it said
You rushed it out, right?
135 ping. So don't be surprised if anything's delayed and you're still on PC, okay? That's just how it goes. Okay, sorry for it being so delayed, guys. I'm really sorry.
They still?
Yeah. So that's what's been going around.
Yeah.
That's what's happening. And I've been
They're on
trying to
B-side,
get to
they hit
100 subs. When I get to 100 subs, I'm gonna do a countdown video, and I'm gonna have a
You're
party.
just going B-Day?
Yeah, don't question me. I'm gonna have a party at 100 subs. You guys been having parties at like 1 million subs. I'm gonna have one at 100 because I like parties. I'll blow up in your smithereens. Yeah, what was I supposed to do? If you look at my character at the top left, what was I supposed to do? Blow smithereens. 30 cents. You know what we need? We need
Good
bowls.
dude. No. You won, dude.
We don't need soup, we need bowls. Let's go attack them with bowls. No, I'm kidding. I did not realize I'm so good with axe. Why haven't I been using it? Yeah! Imagine I get there, I get like 8 kills. I would have had 26 by now. No. Bro, come back. Blow up in the smithereens, despite my tiny sympathy. How am I here? Well, that's the end of this video. Long video, 27 minutes. So anyways, remember to play this game. Oh.